subscribers. Hello, Americans.
Got it zoomed.
Other friends and subscribers around the world. Just heading up. I've seen them two little fellers. They look a lot like the two that we've seen quite a ways from there, though. Grizz wants to chase.
Yes, he does.
Ended up going up. We actually had plans. We were going to go to Warren, Idaho today. And got a call and missed a call. Hey, missed a call last night. And got some problems up on the mountain, man. So we're headed up. Right, so we got this morning, man. We had a big. Actually, it was still going on this morning when I got up. Big windstorm came through. I actually started, man. When we got home yesterday from Weezer. It was blowing pretty good, man. It blew all night long, and then this morning, man, it was getting it on, and which actually would have been yesterday. But we have a tree down that hit a fence, and a couple other issues on another fence. And then anytime after these storms, man, you're always worried that. Trees came down. So stopped at the right now we're on the electric fences, and they're all good. Just check those, probably check them back because we'll come back by. We got to do a big loop. Right now we got to go to one of the highest dogs over there just touched that one, but now we're headed up to one of the higher fences, and that's the one that it's supposed to have a couple of trouble spots. So we're on our way. Alright, man, so switched hats, took off the flannels, part of the way down the fence thinking, dude, it's a little bit chilly out here. You do. Are you really? This kitty's just in the look when I turned the camera on she gave me.
Yeah. Want me to film you going through it?
I'll film myself. Ooh, that's a muddy mess. Alright, let's hit the zoom. I have to do something about this right here. See a tag up there. Up we go. I guess down we go, then up we go. There's Miss Kitty working the fence line for parts.
Here's a post for you.
Well, thank you.
Gotta do the trick.
I have to reach down that bucket and grab a couple of them staples. I can't get my finger down there.
This long pocket?
Yeah. You stick your whole hand. I can't even put 2 fingers. Can you get it?
Nope.
Oh, man. It's a deep mother.
blue and green. Oh.
Did you think I was
Yeah, I'm
crazy?
like, what the heck?
You should get up there and do it so I can
Mukbang.
hear you chew. So, can't really see it. But our lunch today is some filet of tuna, spicy jalapenos. It's good.
Pickled jalapenos.
And these.
Pickled hard-boiled eggs and cucumbers.
Not to, they are the bomb. Now tell them what you did different following Grandma's, because Grandma always did it.
So I took
Oh, and cheese.
pickled jalapenos. You buy them in a can when they come. They got onions and carrots in there. Pickled. There's two varieties. One that's just vinegar and one that's pickled. Strained out the vegetables. Took the vinegar, put it in a pan, and heated it. Boiled the eggs and peeled the cucumbers. As soon as the vinegar came to a boil, take it off the heat and drop in your eggs and your cucumbers. And then put all of the vegetables back in the jar.
They are, man, and it
The best.
penetrates it
Yeah.
so much faster. See your
Yeah.
dog walk up here with a sandwich?
A sandwich?
He's got bread or something. He got it out of the...
Looks like squished hot dog buns.
Is that what it is?
And it's hard. I can hear them crunching.
Anyway, so we're
Those are good.
on our last two fences. Went up, got the... I might have showed it. I don't know. I forget what the heck I filmed. We got our other one, the main one that we were concerned about. And now we're down. We usually start on these two. That's two of the first ones we hit.
Did it backwards.
Yeah, we did it backwards, and now we have to, which it's only, Miss Kitty's got her sweater, she just put it back on. It's actually in the shade, it's a little bit chilly, but we have...
Yeah, you've got goosebumps.
It's a little bit chilly. I won't be in a few minutes. We've got to go down around this one. And the one side of this is where a tree whacked it or whatever. Didn't find any more trees down, so that's good. So, I'll take you along with that. I just wanted to share our lunch. So good. Ain't it?
You already ate all your cucumbers?
No, I only had one.
One big one?
One big one.
Okay, then there's two small ones.
So one for you, one for me. Two for me, none for you. Well, too bad out here. The breeze makes it not so barreling hot. Usually we walk this one in the morning so the sun ain't blazing down on you. Alright, I didn't pack my chainsaw in. I think I'm going to need that, but it's pretty much wiped that. This whole section. Still up, cows could get through there, but it's a little bit of work. I think what I'm going to do is find me some extra wire, and since I don't have a chainsaw with it, I ain't doing this with a full saw. Look at that. Balanced. But I think what I'll do is pull the bob wire, pull it tight, and hook it together. This is why we make the big bucks. Like Miss Kitty gets paid the big bucks.
To walk up to the end of the fence and get wire?
Yeah, that was great. She went up and found the pieces we need. I'm just making loops. We're going to tie this mother back together. And may bring this saw in. If I get it back together, really, it's just kind of, it ain't going nowhere. I don't know, I need to do a thing, see where it snapped off down there. I have to get to the other side. But it's a big mother. It's a big one.
So those black hornets don't like me either.
But I think there might be a nest of them right here somewhere.
Well, if I look down at this slough, the slough right here, it's just, the ground is just buzzing with them.
Oh, yeah. That or they had a nest in the tree. Well, glad they ain't a huge test right here. I'd be like, oh, dude.
Yeah. Come back with your bee suit.
Oh, that poles came.
Do you want me to go stand it up?
What are you whining about, dude? You're like a little sissy for how big you are. You big sissy? You big sissy dog. I didn't expect it to be quite as big as it is. You never know what you're gonna find. Kind of like poison.
See the stump right there that it came off of?
Huh?
Windfall. I'm just showing the stump.
See how big it is? See where it blew over out there?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's tiny. Alright, man. So I'm going to, what did I say? The third wire needs to be tightened some?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to tighten up the third wire. And between us, it can even get some play mount. I can bring my grandkids out and they can play on it. They ain't going to hurt my fence.
Little teach daughter.
Main thing is keeping the cows. And the whole time that I'm fixing this, I'm listening. Make sure I don't hear any cows in there. And when I first walked up, is checking for grazed area. You can see what you can't see, but right here along the fence where they stick their heads through, you'll see the grass, grass, you know, grazed
Yeah,
on
I
and
can.
chopped off.
I can see some right here, right
And
to my right.
the dogwood.
Yeah. Here on these grasses, you can see right there, the grazing where they can stick their head through. Then if you look down in there, there's no grazing to speak of. Of course, deer graze too, so you kind of gotta check the tracks. We good?
So now I'll put this on that
Post.
hole right up there, so if we end up needing any more. Fourth wire's a little loose, but I think it's alright. Head on to the next. Alright, man. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to You guys are like, hey, there's somebody in my path. I think we'll drop down.
You gonna drop down through the fence?
Yes, you too. Well, I don't want them unless they end up going up. I just don't want. That's the first time in 7 years it's ever happened to me. You okay? Grizz went right up to him, just nose to nose.
Oh, really?
Grizz, I don't know if I got him on video. He just went up and cow sniffed him and sniffed. Probably the same color. She thought it was one of her calves. Oh, no, they turned around. He can go back up. Let's see what he does. I was just going to let him have the upper.
I would have had him moved on along. Because he's like, what are you guys waiting on? Come on, come check it out.
Keep watching.
Come here with us, Chris.
Oh, I got so much hound's tongue on your face, fella. Come on, Chris. Oh, leave him alone. Just leave him alone.
Keep going, Chris.
Chris, come on.
Come on, Chris, go.
They are on their trail, so moved off their trail. Grizz, come on. Leave him alone. Let's go. Alright, man, so finished up the fences. We were going to do a video before we got in the truck. Forgot, dude. So, I'm ready for now, man. Got them all the fences are good now. So, let's see got this cold front coming in. I don't know if I haven't even looked to see if there's any more winds or anything.
I haven't either.
And then, like fixing that one and stuff, that I actually don't want to admit it too much, but, you know, just fixing and figuring out what you're going to do or whatever. If it's nature that did it or wildlife that did it, that's enjoyable. It's what I'm there for, man. Is fix that, you know, it makes you feel accomplished. But when, you know, hunters and humans go in and do that crap, that just pisses me off. Anyway, man, I don't know how long the video is, but about all I got for you, man. Just keep it on, keep it on. It's about all you can do in these
Weird times.
weird, crazy, and sad these times, man. Just everybody needs to get along.
Be nice to each other.
Yeah, wouldn't that be different?
Yeah.
So please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Helps keep the lights on the home fires burning and them propane tanks full for Miss Kitty. Check out the eBay store. Hopefully I'll be getting stuff. I haven't put nothing on in 3 or 4 days, you know, everything that's going on. We'll get back after that. I got tons to do and tons to build. I haven't even got to, I was planning on working on my tractor this week. Haven't got to that yet. Got some plans. If they work out tomorrow, we're just going to take a day to breathe. Take a day off. Just me and my kitty. You ready for that?
I am.
So we're going to have us a vacation. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
You know, we say that, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. Good Lord willing, them creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.